Hello, guys. Welcome to GeoBuddy. I am Naveen from Buddy Developers, and today we are going to talk about an amazing GeoBuddy add-on called GeoBuddy Confetti. In this video, I will show you how to install it, activate it, configure it, and use it on your GeoDirectory website. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello, guys. Welcome to Buddy Developers. Today, we are going to talk about GeoBuddy's add-on called GeoBuddy Confetti. All right. So what we have done right now is we have our template called GeoDirectory, right? In this website, we have installed the add-on called GeoBuddy Confetti. Now we will activate it, okay? After activating it, we will enter its license key. So guys, after entering the license key, we have activated this add-on, all right? We have hidden the license key a little bit so that there are no issues later. Now our confetti add-on has been added inside GeoBuddy. All right. So guys, now let's try it once. We'll click on try now and check it out. See this, guys, how beautiful and attractive it looks now. Also, we can increase or decrease the confetti radius from here. The confetti count can also be adjusted. The 500 that is written here represents the number of confetti emojis that will appear. Whatever quantity you enter, it will display that many confetti emojis. Like here, when we click on try now with the value set to 500, all these emojis that we have configured are showing up. You can also add your favorite confetti emojis here, all right, guys? The confetti emoji size is currently set to 15. Each confetti emoji will appear according to the size you choose, like we have configured here. Then we will click on Save Changes. After that, if we click on Try Now, you will notice that the emoji sizes have become smaller. Now, if we set it to 100, the size will become much bigger. The confetti emoji size is completely customizable. I will click on Try Now. See, it is animating very nicely. For now, let's keep it at 50 because it looks more professional that way, but it is completely up to you. Now, let's look at the Disable Custom Emojis option. If we enable it and then click on Try Now, you will notice that only the default emojis are displayed. Your custom emojis that you have added will not be shown, so we will keep this option disabled. Otherwise, there is no point in using custom emojis. However, if you don't like custom emojis, you can enable this option. For now, we will leave it disabled. Let's click on Save Changes. Now, when we click on Try Now, our custom emojis are displayed again. All right, guys. For this site, we have kept the Join page linked to the Add Listing page. If we click on Join Now, it will directly take us to the Add Listing form page where we can add a gym trainer listing. For now, let's add some dummy data here. Let's give it a title, make it bold. Basically, we are only filling in the required fields here. Then we'll select the categories. We will update the address from here. Now watch carefully. When I click on the Submit Listing button, our confetti celebration will appear from all sides. So I'm about to click now. Watch carefully. Click. Boom, guys. See how smoothly our confetti animation appeared. Now we have this congratulations message and the notification saying that the listing has been submitted and can be viewed. So our listing has been submitted successfully as well. This was our GeoBuddy Confetti add-on, such an amazing feature that we have added inside WPGeoBuddy. We have created and added many useful add-ons inside GeoBuddy, and there are many more add-ons coming soon. Guys, if you want to purchase our amazing GeoBuddy Confetti add-on, you need to visit WPGeoBuddy.com. We have provided the product URL in the description box of this video so that you can visit it directly. Once you are there, you can explore all the details of GeoBuddy Confetti. On the GeoBuddy Confetti page, you can see that we have mentioned many excellent features. These features are highly user-friendly and user-engaging. It's a superb add-on. We have also provided pricing details for a single site. In the most popular plan, we have included support for up to 5 sites. And if you want, you can also purchase the Unlimited Sites plan. When you click on Purchase for the Unlimited Sites plan, you will be taken to the checkout page. Simply fill in all the required details and place your order. Then the add-on will be delivered to your email address. To use it, just download it, install it on your WordPress dashboard, and activate it exactly as I showed earlier in this video. The license key will also be sent to your email. Once you enter the license key, your GeoBuddy Confetti add-on will be activated. Then, just like we demonstrated in this video, you can start using this amazing confetti feature on your own website. All right then, stay safe, stay happy, and take care of yourself. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next add-on video. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.